makes his way to the ring. The former World Heavyweight Champion, Ricky the Dragon Steamboat. Still a number. The Dragon on Reed. Whipped into the ropes, off with his shoulder, and Reed just stands his ground. Boy, that just made a granite. What a forearm blow. Tremendous chop here by the Dragon. Again, he ducks under it. High to the air, the atomic drop. Beautiful drop. 1, 2, and that's all he got. Boy, I'll tell you. Reed making a sensational showing, but remember, he's the number 5. Gives him the ride to the ropes, and there's the foot. He was within 1 of being counted out by referee Tommy Young as he just blatantly was choking Steamboat. There's the cover. He's got his blow to the top of the head. He was going to ride him across the ring, the reversal by Reed, but he missed it going into the corner. Going into the net, and the referee says ring the bell. We'll